gagamitin ni Pia Gabriel dito sa karera nito.
Partner, EJ Colon, third, riding for four sister.
Alam mo ba itong si EJ Colon? He's now on his way to get the first place. Talagang napakatapak nitong patang ito, brother.
Partner, meron tayong taga-Dumaguete dyan, no? Yung nagpang-tatlo na, si FM Laredo. Dumaguete City, ready for JCR Racing.
Itong first place natin, brother. Sino to?
Si Arian, Iloilo yan, riding for four sister racing team. Arian. And followed by AG Colon, and we have Laredo from Dumaguete City. JCR Racing. First and second, riding for four sister racing team. Okay, Arian Caballero, riding for four sister racing. AJ Colon. AJ Colon on the inside. Alright.
Brother, ibang level itong mga lady riders natin dito. Tira na mga dyan.
Tama ka dyan, brother. Ibang level, oh.
Iba. Ibang klase ang tapang.
Okay, still on the lead. That is Arian Caballero, followed by AG Colon. All ready for four sister. And JCR return.
Ariel Tereso.
Five laps of racing. 5 laps of racing.
5 laps of racing. Yeah, Pia Gabriel right now is recovering from injury. Medyo safe days for him today because recently lang siya na bali sa practice kaya hindi natin makikita yung full Pia Gabriel moves ngayon.
Pia Gabriel moves.
Pero syempre we're happy that he's still here and she's doing her best para lang i-represent ang Team Yamaha Philippines. And I know Pia Gabriel will be back one day and to be battling with the younger generation.
Ayan na.
Kami ng 1, 2, 3. Alam ko si EJ Colon hindi pa payag mag-second to. At saka itong third place rider parang mainit eh.
Grabe magmakal eh. 1, 2, 3 rider. Ayan na si EJ. Malapit na kayo riyan.
Mainit ang laban and there's a lover. This lover
Yan.
makikita natin kung ano. Kung ibibigay ba nila ang lahat ngayon dahil malapit na tayo sa last lap. And if you don't take this win,
Grabe talaga magmakal. 1, 2, 3.
iba ang tabang. Tatlong lady riders natin na nasa unahan.
4 corners to go.
Eto, palapit pa rin ang palapit. Si MM Narino kay EJ Colon. Who's gonna take this win? Linyahan to. Sino pag-iipalit ang drive dito sa step up? I love passage. Siya ang mananalo sa race. Kapag medyo tight ang corner mo dyan, wala kang speed para i-clear yan. Matutuwa ka. MM Narino. Meron pa tayong isang section. Memorial dyan si MM Narino. He's gonna block it! Konting nang nakuha, pero
Okay, ito na yung elite. Elite. Ay, ito is the elite. Daming elite, ha? Grabe. Puro-puro yung gate. Congratulations to all